Chat made me do this. Go under.
Alright, don't take a piss right now, okay? That's the last thing I need you to do. Okay, so chill.
Fuck it. Chat 10 gifted, I'll go under too. Fuck it. Actually, Sin was good. I'll go under in a little bit. Y'all boys gotta do some crazy shit for Thanksgiving. Do we need to? Level 5, chat. Level 5. Let's see what we can do, chat. Let's see what we can do.
Yo, yeah, I can meditate over there.
Yo, 100 in the chat already. They dead ass.
I could meditate under there, King.
What are you talking about?
I could literally meditate, bro. You can. Oh my god.
Bro, Ace, that is the most. Aaron gifted another 20?
Stop.
Wait, I'm not seeing this shit. They're saying
no, he didn't.
100%. Hold up. Somebody gifted something.
W. Gary? Oh, Gary gifted you, I think.
Why is nothing popping up on my shit? Oh, I'm on your stream. What the fuck? I accidentally clicked on your stream. W. Gary with the 10.
W.
I'm gonna go under eventually.
W. Gary.
I'm gonna go under eventually. Should we go white? We should go white. That's what I was saying. I don't know. Purple's low-key a vibe.
It is a vibe, but I feel like for the setting we're in, if we would have had a ring light, yeah. But since that's the only light. Chat, y'all having a good night tonight, man? Cinema. Dude, W. Gary, chat, level 7. Let's see what we can run this up to, chat. Like that. Let's see what we can run this up to, chat.
Is that better? Chat, how's that look? Is that better? Or is it like on some weirdo shit?
What up, Fire? What's good? What's good? What's good? What's good?
What's up? W. Gary. Why do I not see the hype train though? Level 7, chat. Level 7. Everybody, let's go. Everybody, let's go. Level 7. Level 7.
Bro, this shit feels crazy, bro.
Nah, this is crazy.
This is actually the most peak vibe of all time. Congratulations.
Alright, I'm going to my shoulders. Eventually, I'm gonna go under.
Chat, 10 gifted Ace will go under.
$20 gifted. I'll let Bryce drown me underwater and hold me under, and I have to scream. Bubbles will go everywhere. 20 gifted. I'll do it. You have to hold me under and like shake me.
Okay.
Like
Get banned off the platform.
no, I'll do it. I'll do it. All right, I'm going under. Shoulders.
Hell yeah, Aaron. Hell yeah. Hell yeah.
It's like good pain, you know. No. Don't be doing that. Oh, dude, the hot tub, bro. Something about the hot tub, bro. It's just like like muscles relax. You know what I'm saying?
Yo, understanding with the 100 bits. Let's go, baby.
Yo, what if we come in after hours and like on some snake shit? It is what it is. Because once the guy leaves, like realistically, people ain't here.
Yeah, but then we have to like they deactivate the shits. Like you can't use your key fob unit, so we have to hop. And at that point, that's when you look like.
Yeah, we'll get kicked.
What if they forget to do that though?
It looks hot.
Chat, it is hot. Bro, chat, we went in tan today, bro. Can y'all tell we went in tan, chat? Type 1 if y'all can tell we look tan.
You can't tell.
What you mean you can't tell?
You can't tell. You're an orb right now.
I'm not.
Coming off this white beam, bro.
Chat, do we look tan, bro?
Nah, we do. Red chest.
Let's go.
Oh, post on IG.
Oh,
Or
yeah.
something.
You look like a red blob. That's good. If you look like a red blob, that means that you are gonna turn it into tan. I don't know why I struggled so hard to get that out. Chat, I'm going with the middle part, bro. That ass.
Why?
Because, bro, it just looks dope. I'm not going with that Edgar shit, bro. I just look like facial symmetry as well. Like it looks better with this hairstyle.
Not the Ed?
No, that's what they were saying too. Like like this fits your face more, and I agree.
You think so?
Yeah. But once it gets a little longer, it'll be perfect.
Yeah, you need that bitch longer.
Chat, who wants to join?
Level 7.
Join, chat. Oh, somebody save the hype train, chat. Somebody save the hype train. my god, chat.
Somebody save it. Somebody save it, chat. Somebody save it. We are together right now, so this hype train will be easy if we just stick together. We lock in. That's what I'm saying, chat.
20 gifted, and before we leave, chat, 20 gifted, I'll jump in the actual pool. It's cold as fuck right now. No one joining that Diddy
20 gifted,
bar.
20 gifted. I'll let Bryce drown me, and then I'll jump in the pool, and he'll drown me in the pool.
Okay, dude.
We'll give Dan. Fuck it, I'll do it all.
Chat, 20 seconds. 20 seconds. Push,
Oh my
chat.
god,
Push,
Gary
push.
with another 10.
W, Gary.
Gary, save the hype train. Let's go, Gary.
W, Gary.
Come on, Gary. Come on, Gary.
Gary.
Gary with the 10.
Oh my god, what a goat, chat.
Gary with the 10.
Level 8, come on.
You know what it is?
Come on, chat, come on. Kinley, I got you, I got you. Let's freaking go.
W Gary, bro. W Gary. Level 8. Hold up, what's our best? What's our best?
Like 17 or some shit.
Is it really?
Mm-hmm.
Bro, you put him on for 10 seconds?
Quit getting pissed.
Oh, is that what you do? You put him on for 10 seconds.
Face is all pissed, chat. Yo, these bubbles feel crazy. I'm peeking right now. Wait, what did Aaron gift? Oh, did Aaron give 20? W, Aaron! 20 gifted. Ace, I have to jump in the pool after now, bro. Oh my god, W, Aaron. We're almost at a level 10, Ace. We're almost at a level 10.
Aaron
W,
with the 20?
Aaron with the 20 bomb ski, chat. Oh
W,
my
Aaron.
god. Level 9. Push, 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 baby. That's what I'm talking about. These are the best communities on Twitch, chat. We go live, and you guys are just getting us to a level 10 hype train. How great are y'all? Why didn't y'all bring the desk and the PC to the hot tub?
Yeah.
No, Lion, that's a great idea. What a phenomenal idea that you have there.
Lighting is cooked.
No, yeah, lighting is so cooked.
It's the fucking gowning.
Yeah, you can't go backwards. If you go backwards, it's shock. Bryn, was good, was good, was
So
good.
close.
Fire, I don't know. I don't know if it did. I don't know if it did. I don't think I saw it. Chad, did Fire sub go through? I'm not sure. Bro, let's fucking go, Chad. Level 9.
Where we at? Where we at? Level 9, chat? Wait, how much you say you jump in it? 20? I'll do it. I'll do it too.
If you get 20?
Yeah, 20 I'll do it. 20 I'll
In
do it.
the
It's
cold ass
cold.
pool over
that
there.
Shit's cold, bro.
It's cold. That's what I'm saying, bro. And Aaron, so
That shit's cold as
if
shit.
you get 20,
I'll do
bro.
it. I'll do it. But goddamn, that's cold as shit.
Fire was a prime sub? Okay, bet. Yeah, W Fire, chat.
20 is crazy.
Get a hot tub at the...
Let's
What-
electrocute the water, bro.
What do you mean let's, Jasmine? What do you mean let's?
Air post.
How pissed would you be right now on a scale of 1 to 10 if I literally chopped your phone into this water right now?
I'd be so pissed.
What would you do? Would we fight?
Yes.
Like straight like hands right here?
Hands.
In the hot tub?
Hands upon hands.
The moment of? Or would you grab it first, then put it down, then throw hands?
Oh, yeah. Grab it, put it down, throw hands. Throw hands.
Chat, it's an early stream tonight, man. Are y'all enjoying these? Oh, wait. Is it lagging or is it just me?
Do
Okay.
it, Crumpy.
Chat, since Aaron get the 20, bro, I'm gonna have to jump in now, bro. He's sweet as sugar. What do you mean I'm sweet, bro? Lion, you love using that terminology. Lion calls everyone sweet as sugar.
Bro, I wish it was like up here.
Yeah, that'd be dope. Wait, see if you can balance it. That actually might be calm. Dude, it's a flash thing when you look into that shit.
Low
Oh,
key.
that's so much better. It's not even funny.
Is
Chat,
it?
how much better is that? Type 1 if that's better, chat. Type 1 if that's better.
And just on my cock.
Okay.
I'm not even trolling.
Yo.
Chat, that's better?
Alright, best. Chat,
Say
a
less.
minute left on the hype train, man. We're 17% away from
Say
level
less.
10. 17% away from double digits, chat. Can somebody save it?
Just go ahead and get us up there, chat. Just go ahead and get us up there, bro.
Level 10 to start the stream, man. Come on, chat.
Chat, just go ahead and get us up there, bro.
Y'all should do
Level
early streams
10.
more often. Chat, we definitely will
Chat,
be.
a minute left. Just go ahead and get us up there. Let's go ahead and do it.
Hey, realistically though, bro, like I feel like the only times we stream late is when it's like Sundays or like
Football.
Thursday night football.
Football.
Like tonight we're not because we're doing this. But like most nights, chat, when it's football nights, we'll do later streams. But
What
other
time
than
you
that,
guys really like us to go live, though?
40 seconds, chat. 40 seconds. Let's see how long we can make this last for.
What time
chat.
you guys like us to go live? I follow you.
Oh, Aaron with the 5 gifted, chat. We are to level 10.
Aaron saved. Gary
Let's
with the
fucking
10.
Go. Gary with the 10?
Gary with the 10.
Oh my god, are we at level 11 yet?
Chat, y'all gotta help out Aaron and Gary.
Come on,
God.
chat. We're almost at level 11 now. W
Gary's
Aaron
a
and Gary.
goat, gang.
Come on, boys. 8 or 9, 6 or 7. Okay, y'all are memeing by saying that. Y'all are memeing by saying that, chat. Y'all don't mean
What?
6 or 7.
Yeah,
Or y'all
why
actually
y'all
saying
6, 7? Come on, bro.
They could have just said 6 or just 7.
Why they say 6, 7?
Come on, bro. The later streams are fine though, cause yeah, like we have people on the West Coast and shit. But
Yeah, facts. What time is it for them right now?
4 o'clock.
Yeah.
That's crazy.
Yeah, true.
Yo, W Gary, W Aaron, chat. They're going crazy. The boys are spazzing right now. Our goats.
Dead ass, chat. Level 10 hype train, bruh. W's in the chat, man. Everybody. W's in the chat. But,
What? Lower your arm. What's that?
you know why I have that. 'Cause you already passed.
Fair shit. I know. W Mans.
6, 7.
Wait, that's your grandpa? That's your grandpa?
Yeah.
He passed in 67?
Mm-hmm.
He passed in 1967.
Yeah.
Your grandpa.
Mm-hmm.
How old was he?
I don't know. Old enough.
67?
1967. Yeah.
He passed in 1967. That means he was. Did he not pass at a young age?
Was young.
He had to have been young.
Yeah.
He had to have been like 20s.
Yeah.
Damn.
What happens?
What was his name?
1738.
What was his name?
Gary, you know. Al.
What did his name start with?
Hey.
A?
Oh. Al.
Hashtag LLA in the chat. Hashtag LLA.
LLA.
LLA. Why is that kind of a
They
tough
said
name?
damn. They said
LLA. I hope a sick homeless man pulls up on y'all and Swiss cheeses the fuck out of you. Lion, this is why you're banned for the next 72 hours. Congratulations.
The only thing that would be better would be some fine women. You know what I'm saying? It's not going the right way. Chat, what? Hold on. Listen, what do you do if a girl leaves you on red?
All right, chat. No,
Do you continue to do it?
Stop.
Do you continue to spam her if you really want her?
Let me paint the
or
picture.
do you leave it as is?
What do you do, chat, if a female follows you back, adds you back on Snapchat, responds to the first Snapchat that you send her, views all of your stories, and then you start to like text her on Snap and some serious shit, and then she leaves you on open every single time from that point forward? What do you do?
I mean, I would think it's like she doesn't want it.
No, chat, it's not the sorority girl, okay? Different.
Yeah, different. That one's long gone, chat. Y'all changed his mind last night. Don't worry.
Yeah.
But I'm saying
Blocked immediately.
you don't fuck with that.
If someone leaves me on red for more than 3 hours, I block. Cut her off. Move on. I can't.
I can't, bro. And she will leave Bryce on red every single time, and Bryce will continue to sit in that chair.
Am I cut?
Huh?
Am I a loser for that?
Nah, I mean it's a valid chair to sit in, but it's gonna be a long wait. That's all I gotta say. It's gonna be a long wait. But it's a valid chair to sit in. It's one of the best chairs you can pick.
It's the best chair.
You're in it. You're in the chair.
At least I made it to the chair.
Well, most guys do. There's
No,
a
not
wait
with
list.
not
There's
with
a-
no,
there's
not
a
with
wait-
her.
There's a wait list.
No, not with her.
There's a wait list.
Not with her, Ace. You know that. You can't just sit in that chair. To sit in the chair, you have to get into contact with them. Because if you don't even get into contact with them, then you didn't even walk in the door.
Oh, you don't know. Who's
You just
in
looked
contact.
and then you moved
No,
on.
You don't know who's in contact.
I'm at least one of the people in that chair.
That's what I'm saying. You're on a wait list.
Oh my God, did we? Oh, hype train's over. Hey, W hype train chat.
W level 10?
Freaking level 10 chat. W hype train.
W hype train, bro. Level 10. Choo choo in the chat.
Y'all are some goats, chat. Y'all are some goats.
W level 10 hype train.
Hey, I'm not gonna lie, bro. That shit might sound. That sounds good, right?
Right now?
What are you doing?
Right now? The
Are you
fuck?
not hot as shit right
Hell
now,
no.
dude? I'm gonna go meditate. I'll be right back.
I bet.
Chat. Everyone manifest with me in this current
Grown ass
moment.
man clapping together in a hot tub.
We're gonna
Grown ass
manifest.
man manifesting in a hot tub.
We're gonna manifest my dream girl all together right now.
They're saying grown ass man. Keep in mind. Chad, is this a joke? Yo, Xavier, what the fuck are we talking about, gang? Who is we? Josh, bro. Manifesting. Bro's manifesting right now. Chad, it feels good as fuck in here, I ain't gonna lie. Chad, this is like, hey yo. I can't see him, he's under the water.
It sounds like Vietnam down there, Ace.
Yeah.
It sounds like Vietnam.
Rava was good. Drown him.
Okay. Chat.
MJ, I'm doing good. How are you doing? I am who I am, and then write your story. Manifest. What'd you manifest?
My
Her?
dream girl.
Her?
Yeah.
Is that a bad look? What? To manifest her?
No, it's a good look, right?
It's a good look, but
Manifesting positivity.
the thing is like, at what point do you just say like, okay, I'll let her do her. She's got a whole ass man. So,
Yeah, see, like, what am I even doing?
but
Like, genuinely, what am I doing?
you're fighting for a
Think
girl that has a
about
man.
what you just said. What am I doing? She has a man.
So you want to go after the one that has a man, or the one that's gonna get dicked down in the sorority? You tell me, because your taste is shit.
I'm just unlucky, bro.
No, you just go after the wrong women.
How
bro.
am I
You
supposed to
always
know?
Have.
How
You
am I-
always have.
How the fuck am I supposed to know that the fine ass women on my For You page that I'm gonna go DM are gonna be in sororities, doing orgies, or have a boyfriend? You tell me that.
It's one after another. It's,
How am I supposed to know? Am I supposed to just know? Oh, this girl obviously she has a boyfriend.
nah, but what?
I
what?
get hoed.
Nah, but like you've been known she had a boyfriend. But you might be first in line after that boyfriend. So it's whether you're gonna sit there and
I just gotta not respond ever.
nah, yeah, she'll forget about you, gang. She'll forget about you, gang. It's a lose-lose in that scenario.
There's no win.
Nah, sorority out. That one out. Not it.
So just is it just on to the next?
It's on to the next.
You're right. Bat me up. You're fucking right, bro.
Just co-cuck-late, bro.
Okay, what the fuck?
Dude. Yo, that's crazy. I ain't gonna lie. Don't chase. It's nice and quiet without the jets. Yeah, well, chat. That's weird. Not sitting in lukewarm bathwater with my homeboy. That's not happening, bro. It might be for you, but it ain't for me. Oh no.
If you asked me to turn around and jump right now, I'd create a tsunami.
What? Turn around and jump.
Hey, so I'm letting you know, a wave will hit.
Go that way.
Doesn't matter. It'll still retract and come back this way. You know how water works.
Alright, then don't do it, because I'm not trying to get the camera equipment all wet because of your BBL. Okay. That's the only thing that would make this shit get up and down. Fucking wave pool in here. Turn around is crazy. See, right about now.
Yeah, it'd be great, wouldn't it?
Oh my god.
It'd be great.
Let's do a blind date with Tinder. Let's do that. Pull up in the hot tub.
I'm down, bro.
On God?
I'm down.
On God.
Yeah, bro, I do it. We have to ask if she wants to be on stream first.
Yeah,
if she
obviously.
says yeah, then yeah, I'm down.
Let's just have him come on.
Deadass. We can get like 3 for each person.
What you mean 3?
Like, you could have 3 and I could have 3.
3 women?
Yeah. Or like 2 or even just 1. And like we cook with them that night or whatever.
I got an idea. I'm gonna send a text. Should I go here with it?
Bro, chat, it's so hot. Who's that?
Valid.
Who is that?
I could get like 4 of them.
You have to show me him first. We'll talk about it off stream.
Okay.
Chat, it is hotter than...
Bro, this dude has literally the patience of literally like a 2nd grader.
I'm not good with saunas and shit. Chat, y'all be using saunas?
Like, you freak out. You stress me out. You stress me out. You stress me out. I'm trying to vibe, hang out, and you're over here. I need to get in the water. I'm fucking hot. I'm freaking out. Fucking need to meditate. Like, dude, relax. Vibe.
My body is profusely sweating right now.
Dude, you look miserable. Like, listen, right here. Like, we're just chilling, relaxing. I'm surprised the camera's not fogging up. You see all this smoke?
That's a good point. What a great light that is.
It's a great light.
What a great light. And I just looked into it. Now I can't see shit on my phone.
Saunas are great. This is great. We didn't go to the, we didn't do our cardio today. Actually, should we do our cardio?
Wait, so how many calories does this burn? Okay, chill.
Do our cardio in here.
What the fuck?
Literally take off running. Literally run.
Do you want to break
Come on,
everything?
1, 2. Get the arms going. Okay. God damn. That's a BBL. Because waves like that that's what makes the BBL. Like those waves.
I'm just trying to get my cardio in, King.
Yeah, well when you have alright, never mind. She said what the fuck. Y'all do the saunas chat?
Sauna then cold plunge? I need that, bro. I need that shit immediately.
Standing in a hot tub for an hour burns approximately 140 to 160 calories? Yo, that's good. Damn. You burn that in your walk.
Lion's the one who said that, so there's no credibility behind that at all.
That ain't no cardio.
Alright, let's sit down and let's go shoulders. Right here.
What you mean, shoulders?
Right here. What do you mean? Let's meditate. No. H, deep breath in. Out. In. Out.
It doesn't work.
Do it.
It doesn't work.
In.
Pointless.
I can't even meditate with my homeboy.
How hot are you on a scale of 1 to 10?
45. I'm burning mad calories right now, gang.
Oh,
Bro,
no.
we could do like hot tub videos in this bitch. What do you mean? Like how we were doing before, but like answer, like have a prompt.
Yeah, do we want to?
Like once a week, twice a
Chat,
week.
ask us questions right now. Ask us questions about anything you want, bro.
Anything,
like if you
chat.
guys watched our hot tub videos, ask us questions right now. Hot tub. Ask us questions, chat. What inspired the chest tattoo? Shit. Life. Bro, chat, ask some fucking real questions.
I can get the greatest club farm of all time right now, but I don't want to break your camera because I'm a W homeboy.
No.
I'm a W homeboy.
That should have never even crossed your mind. That's the difference. Grown ass
Because
man,
I'm a
grown ass
W
man trying to
homeboy.
flip in with the camera equipment all over the place.
Because I want that viral clip for my boy. What's your biggest pet peeve?
Snoring. I hate motherfuckers that
Not
snore.
having AC?
Dude, I don't know. Snoring's just as bad. But yeah, not having AC. But that's like, that doesn't really count. That doesn't really happen often. You know what I mean?
Yeah, it's not like a pet peeve.
That can't be a pet peeve. What? That happened to me one time in the last 10 years.
Yeah, literally.
Actually, that might have been my first time.
that was the worst thing ever.
So I'd say my biggest pet peeve is somebody who snores. If you snore, I'm out. I'll sleep on the floor outside the room before I sleep in a room with you if you're snoring. And if Shotty's snoring, no, we're not doing that. We're not doing that.
What's
on
the-
God, I won't be with her.
What's the percentage of females that snore?
Probably same as guys, right?
Well, I feel like it would be less.
Maybe it is.
Because
I
of
don't
like,
know.
we have does it have anything to do with our Adam's apple? Does that have anything to do with that? Chat, like, do guys
Someone's
snore
in the chat.
more than girls on average?
Guys snore.
What do I feel like they would?
I say guys probably snore more. I say guys probably snore more.
Approximately 40% of adult women are habitual snorers. Through the actual rate,
It's mostly
likely
weight.
closer for men, which is around 40 to 50%. Oh,
It is
it's
weight.
all with weight. You're right. It's all about weight. It's all about weight.
what if-
Would you do that with your
What
sisters?
if I grabbed and punched?
Okay, that would hurt like a fucking bitch. Hey, would you ever do that with your sisters? Would you let your sisters punch the fuck out of your arm?
Yeah.
Bro, that's like a me, yeah.
Would you punch the fuck out of theirs?
Nah, I'd never retaliate. Okay, what the? Can you max it out?
Bro, you're the one that went up there and turned them on, so you put
You're
them
doing
on 5.
10-minute increments. Let's do an hour.
No, you just went up there and did it. You did 5 minutes. Congratulations.
Yours started off quicker than mine did, dumbass bitch.
Bro, I could have calculated that one. That one was a 3-minute timer.
Know how long you last?
Yo. Nah, deadass, how long you last though?
As long as I want.
Hell nah.
Well-
That's not what I heard.
What the fuck? Nah, real shit though. Like, right now, probably a minute. But when I'm in flow state, I can last a while.
What? It's a minute?
Oh yeah, I could.
No,
I
right
could-
now. Like
Oh, right now. Oh, it would.
you go to hit. It's a minute.
Yeah,
It's a
yeah.
minute.
Oh.
Clock out. I'm out.
Oh yeah, no, I'd do that.
Is it like almost like a thing where like you tell her in advance, like, listen, this is gonna be a minute.
100%. Like beforehand, I'll be like, I'll let you know. Like, no, November. Like, you know what I'm saying.
It's probably gonna be quick,
Yeah.
but then we'll go round 2 right after.
Right. Yeah.
That's where it's the long one.
Yeah.
That's where it's the
That's
long
when
one.
I can reload. That's literally like, yeah.
Okay, cool. Why are we why are we doing all that?
Biggest turn off. Probably when she's messy.
We are doing
When you don't
in
clean
and
up
in.
after
We are
yourself.
doing in and in.
Yes, we are participating. Chat.
In.
Do you feel any different
What?
now that you like known us? I don't feel a damn thing.
It doesn't do shit.
It literally is so pointless.
You're right. You're
I
right.
think you're right. I think the only thing that's bad is the corn. That's the bad part.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying?
I mean, it literally told us it's not bad.
Yeah, because that's like what rots your brain.
Yeah.
I'm gonna break it tonight.
Yo, W1 cent from Abel.
She's a 10, but her 1 cent.
1 cent.
W Abel.
What the fuck are you doing with 1 cent?
That literally just like that's like they just threw a penny at your
That's
face.
low key. That's low key. That's low key fucked.
Low key.
That's low key fucked. I'm not gonna lie.
And then
Ban
Twitch
that
is gonna take
motherfucker-
50%.
Nah, ban that motherfucker from chat.
They just
At
said
that
us a
point,
half
it's
a
like,
penny.
what, half a penny?
Lion said she's a 10, but her love language is biting.
Turn on
10, but her love language is biting.
10, but her love language is biting.
Like how hard? Chat, how hard is she biting? How hard?
Listen. Yeah, it depends, but like I kind of fuck with that.
Is that not like childish though?
It's childish, but like it's cute.
She's a 10 though, yeah?
It's cute.
Right?
Like, but it depends. If she's fucking gnawing my arm
if she's
off,
if you have
she's-
bite marks and shit.
nah, that's when we got.
Yeah.
But like,
But
like
he
if she
said
comes
he said
up-
biting hard as fuck.
If she comes up, okay.
Then she's a like
Nah,
6.
I don't fuck with that. If she just gives me like little like, and she
Nibbles?
comes up behind me,
Have you ever had a girl do that to you?
nah,
I've never had a girl do that to me either.
what's out there? I mean, I don't know.
I don't know if I'd like that, to be honest, bro.
But it can't be
that
hard.
shit would get mad annoying, bro. Like if I'm chilling playing a game and she gnaws on my shit, I'm gonna be like, fuck
I
off.
like feel like in a relationship. Like I like to like, you know, like I said it before, but like go up behind when they're cooking and like just like
Yeah.
put my arms around them and
Biting's different though.
and like neck kisses and shit. I fuck with that.
I fuck with that too.
You don't
biting.
do that in public though.
No. No, I do. I did.
You smacking ass in the gym.
I'm not like that one kid. Chad, we were at the gym one time. He goes, bro, he literally like
She was bending over to do something, and he literally just like,
bro, the whole gym heard it.
I mean, with her, it was valid though.
Yeah, but why are you doing that in the gym, Ace? That's a joke.
She's a 10, but she oils up her feet every night.
Oh, to Maya, that's a 12.
what?
To Maya, that's a 12.
What are you saying?
Maya, Jeremiah Smith, or whatever his name is.
To Maya.
Jeremiah.
It sounded like that was a person's name. You say that.
To Maya.
Clarify.
To Maya.
Sounds like
Yeah,
one
it
word.
does sound like Tamaya, doesn't it? Tamaya, he loves
Tamaya,
that. He
tomato,
loves
tomato.
that. Maya loves
oil
that
up
deep
feet.
shit.
Why oil up?
Yeah, wait, why do you have to oil
Like,
it,
let's
Chet?
go moisturizer, not oil. That shit.
Jay Smith mentioned.
That shit's whack as fuck.
Nah, yeah, if she's trying to oil my feet up, bro, I'm not trying to do all that. Actually, I'll let her.
What?
She's a 10.
If she oils up your feet?
If she's a 10 ace and all she, only weird
I
thing...
want feet rubs. I
Oh,
want feet
that's what I'm
rubs.
saying. She's massaging your toes and then she sucks them.
Okay, why do we have to put the sucking in? I've personally never been into toes like that.
Well, I'm saying if
that's
she...
a you thing.
No.
You love toes.
Let me clarify.
You like toes after a sweaty workout.
Okay,
I've heard you
that's
told that.
that's never been a thing.
You just don't want to admit it because we're on live stream now. And I understand, and that's completely fine because I would do the same thing. But I'm gonna be here and I'm gonna be the one that airs out the real to them.
So Chad, he's lying right now, currently at this current moment in time. He's lying. And he's gonna sit here and throw his hands up like he doesn't know what's going on. He's lying. I'm just saying I wouldn't want to suck toes, but if she wanted to suck my toes, I'd be down. If that was her thing, bro, listen, stop and listen for 2 seconds. If she is a 10, she is the perfect girl in your life, angel, and all she wants to do at night is just suck on your toes, you wouldn't do it? Is it that weird? I've never done it either, so I don't know, but I'm just saying I wouldn't care that much.
It's weird.
Maybe it knocks it down to a 9 or an 8.
No. Why are you sucking my toes? For what reason? That's weird. Kiss me. I'm not doing that, Chad.
Chat's saying hell nah.
Like, kiss me. You want her to suck your toes? That's weird affection.
Okay, I get
You
it,
do
bro.
that. You stay over there in that corner.
I
You
get
do
it.
that. You stay over there in that corner and
it.
You do that shit.
I get it.
I'll stay
I'm just
over here and I'll kiss my girl.
I'm just saying. Well,
Lips.
I'm gonna get my toe sucked. You're gonna get bit. So
I'm gonna get bit. I mean, it depends on how hard she's biting, but I'd rather take that. If she's chunking out my arm, that's when we have issues. Bryce is down clearly. She's a... Why is this chat so sexual?
they brought it upon themselves.
They did. And there's mad heads in here tonight. She's a 10,
Isn't
but
every
she's a bop.
Isn't every chat on Twitch sexual?
She's a 10, but she's a bop.
0.
She's a 10.
What? What? You think she's a 10 after being a pup?
Yeah. You don't fuck with that?
No, this is relationship talk.
Yeah.
She's a pup.
You get down and dirty with the bobs.
Dude. You can't date a bop, base. We know this.
You can transform a bob into a wife.
No. That right there
No,
is
I'm
the
just
most...
playing, chat. She's probably a 2. She's probably 2.
Bonnie Blue ran through type. Yeah, that's not a good archetype, chat.
Nah, I was trolling, chat. I was trolling.
That's not a good archetype, chat.
Holy fuck. Like,
Yeah, you could be his forever, baby, but tonight you're mine. Chat. MQ, it's funny you say that. Ace was showing me a tat of this guy that had like a
shut this
Chinese.
down, because you'll never get one. Let's just shut this down.
She's a 1, but she's a billionaire.
She's a 1, but she's a billionaire. She's a 10.
No, she's not. Get a
Gold dig
grip.
that motherfucker.
So you're gonna use
A
her.
billionaire. Yeah.
You're right. You have to, don't you? Good call.
You use her. 10? Of course. PJs, money. She can't be a 1 though. Come on. There's nobody's really a 1.
Oh, so okay, but yeah, what is a 1?
I mean, you gotta have like some like.
She's gotta be all sorts of
Like, yeah.
or like really.
No, you gotta have like chromies type shit.
You should be like really overweight too, maybe.
Ooh, that one hurts. Actually,
See,
maybe not.
You know what I'm saying? Like
Oh no, I can't.
Like crooked teeth, no jawline, overweight.
Like Biggest Loser type of vibe?
Yeah.
Billionaire though.
Millionaire. Would you do it?
But the affection is just gonna be real rough in the crib.
Yeah.
Actually, no, I will not do that. Can't.
More to love, chat. More to love. We're just
She's
playing.
a 10, but she doesn't like to cook. Automatic 0. If she doesn't like to cook, get the fuck out of here. I don't care.
Yes.
You can't cook better than if you can't cook better than me. I don't want you, bro. That's part of my daily routine. I cook. Might not be for you, McDonald's lover, but for me, for me, I need my woman to cook. You stay getting McDonald's. I'm going to get that home cooked meal. She's going to be giving me that home cooked meal. That's all I gotta say. I'll leave it right there. Nah, but you've been moving on cooking, so I feel like you coming around on that.
I've been cooking for a minute. There's times where I'll splurge and go and get like Firehouse and then Taco Bell like every few weeks where I'll like do that.
You get Firehouse all the time, so don't even lie about that one.
That's the
Firehouse tropical every fucking day.
When's the last time I had a tropical smoothie?
You probably had it the other day when we left Target. I know you did.
I did not get.
Yeah, you did.
I got Firehouse that day.
I said Firehouse and tropical smoothie. Clip what I just said.
I am fully admitting to you that it's Firehouse. I haven't had tropical in a minute.
You go to one of those like every
I haven't
day.
been tropical in probably a month.
It doesn't matter. They go hand in hand. Once you get,
it's just Firehouse.
Yeah.
But I love Firehouse. I get Firehouse probably 3 or 4 times a week.
Jesus Christ, no, it's more than that.
No, it's not. It's not 3 or 4 times.
She's a 10, but she's bisexual. He says she's a 10. You were into that.
Oh, that's so odd. What? Don't act like you just saw a ghost.
Well, I did.
Don't act like you're in Davy
did.
Jones's locker.
That's a joke.
I'm not doing that.
Why?
I'm not doing that. That shit's odd.
Bisexual?
Yeah.
She'll cheat on you with women. Congratulations, cuck boy. Once again. Yes, she will.
Those types of females are the ones that are like, join in.
Hell nah.
Yeah.
Not the ones you're going after.
What is that supposed to be?
Just. You've never been with somebody that's bisexual, so that.
No, I know, but I'm saying I probably I think it's. I don't think I'd have an issue. If
she's a 10, but as a man.
What?
That's you.
How is she a 10 but a man? So it's a she-man. You love that.
Hell nah. She's a 10 but doesn't like to do it?
10. Actually.
Yeah, I don't care. Okay.
You don't care?
Nah, I do. Fuck that shit.
It'd be different if she was a 10 and wanted to wait till marriage. I'd be okay with that.
Yeah, that's fine. Actually, no, that's ass, bro. I'm not doing that, bro.
10 but can't talk. can't talk, so she's mute. Elsa. I'd learn sign language for her.
She's a 10, but does not work for her dreams. 2. Fuck with that lazy ass.
But you don't want to be like, I'll just provide for you. It doesn't matter.
Yeah, but if you don't work for your dreams of some sort, it's like it shows me that you're lazy. I mean, we have a kid one day. It's not gonna work.
Yeah,
if she's
true.
working towards your dreams and then I'm the provider, I'm cool with that. But that shows me like you might not even be able to keep up with a family if you can't even chase your own dreams.
And it's like she probably doesn't go to the gym if that's the case. She probably doesn't like wake up and get motivated if that's the case.
Lazy.
How are people lazy in this life? Get up and do it.
10, but can't get pregnant.
10.
Really?
I'll live to the end of the days with her.
You don't want kids?
I mean, it would suck. Obviously, down the road it'd probably really affect me. But like,
I need kids. I need kids.
yeah, no, that's true. That would suck if you couldn't. But I still think she's a 10 though, bro. Like that's lit.
Dude, what? Some of these people be throwing some crazy shit out there. Chat, type 1 if you want kids one day.
Yo, we actually probably need to go get in the other pool right now.
Alright. Alright, this is the dangerous part. Yeah. It is, isn't it? Can you put a light on me?
Why?
I can't see. No.
I wasn't just gonna yank and grab.
I don't know you, bro. Alright.
No point in drying off. We should. Oh, just set the camera up over there. That's lit.
What else would we do?
This is about to be cool as shit, Ace. You understand that? You understand that, Ace?
You think they'll come out here?
Looks like that's not. It's legal. It's about to be so cold.
Where do we want to go? Right here?
Yeah, it doesn't matter. Really. Pointing into the deep part at least. We should go like right here. So we can jump in this stuff right here.
I don't want to just jump around this shit though.
No, we'll jump out that way.
Right here.
Just so they can see. I'll go grab everything else.
Fire setup though.
Well, see, it's 24 hours, bro. If it's like this, Chad, this is about to be so cold.
Dude, it looks like the ocean.
It
Like
does.
off the boat.
It actually looks kind of creepy.
Alright.
From the stream perspective,
Oh, it's not that bad.
it actually feels good.
Chad, I'm jumping straight in. Watch out, I'm gonna
No, be careful, bro.
Careful up.
I don't think it's.
They said it closed at 8. Can we be here for like 2 more minutes? 2 more minutes. Perfect. Thank you. We'll be gone in 2 minutes. Thank you.
W.
Chad, it feels crazy out here.
Oh my God.
Dude, it feels crazy. Bro, why can't we stay open?
Because they gotta go home, gang.
Bro,
Well, like it doesn't matter though. Like, what are we gonna do?
Can we just tell her, like, hey, we'll leave in like 30? We're already in here. I don't fucking know. Should we ask, Chat? Should we ask if we can stay?
Bro, this shit's a vibe.
Dude, imagine this was 24. We gotta figure that out.
Can we go and can we proclaim a claim? Let's change
Dude,
the
it feels
amendment.
insane.
You ever do this where you create like a wake?
Okay, teach it.
What?
My pants almost just came off.
I almost just got leaked all over the fucking Twitch.
I almost got leaked too.
Yeah, we almost
It'd be a swimmer right behind me.
You know those fish?
Yeah.
Chat, what are y'all saying, man? Y'all trolling?
Yo, what do you mean we? Lion, what do you mean we?
Y'all trolling?
Chat, y'all know what we're going to make after this shit? We haven't told him yet. Unless you told him.
Oh, we got 4 minutes. What's up?
Chat, you guys all gotta stay tuned.
Chat, do y'all... Hey, chat, type 1s if you guys want more of these, like weekly.
Just chilling at the pool and shit, chat. It's a vibe. We can
Because
literally do like different...
I ain't gonna lie, with it being winter and it being dark early, there's probably never anyone here.
No, dude, it's dead.
So we need to start coming up here at like 6:30 type shit.
Yeah, facts. They're spamming
Oh
ones.
my mama.
On Crody. Every day. But we can't overflood them. Chat, everyone's gotta stay in here, chat. We are
That's how it is.
What are we doing? Right in front of your homeboy, at least be 4 feet away. That's the fucking rule. Chat, okay. You quit that shit?
What are you saying?
Hey yo in the chat. Everyone ayo in the chat. No, hey chat, we need to dude, Ace, will you fucking quit? You just fucked your phone.
Huh?
You fucked your phone.
On Crody. Why does it feel amazing out? Hey, we need to go on another yacht and jump in.
That one. You didn't even jump in last time, pussy. I'm not dapping you up.
That's so fucked. This is top 5 most fucked things you've ever done. Leave your boy hanging in a fucking pool.
You didn't jump in.
Vibing.
Last time I jumped in that freezing ass water and your bitch ass didn't jump.
Just dab a homeboy up one time.
You'll do it next time? Okay, now if you don't, then I'll remember how fucked it is that you just dapped me right there. Chat.
Somebody clip that moment. I'm not jumping in.
Chat. That ass though, chat. We're making festive cinnamon rolls with icing all over them. They're gonna be insane. So don't miss that. We're doing that right after we leave the pool,
Why
chat.
is this not 24?
Okay, will you stop fucking getting pissed?
Why is this not 24?
I don't know.
It would be a vibe. Like, what do they have? Like, come on, bro.
Imagine we put up like 2 a.m., bro.
That's what I'm saying.
But they're lame as shit.
They're fucking losers.
Don't give me this finger.
They're losers, chat.
Time's up. Oh yeah. We need to respect them. We should leave.
Okay.
Yeah, we should respect them.
We don't want to cause issues. Fuck this shit. Fuck this shit. Fuck this. I think I just leaked my tip. Huh? Wait, hold on. I want to dry off in the pool. On some like alpha shit.
Some alpha shit.
How do you dry your hair off? This is how I dry it off.
I like dampen it. Yeah, like scrunch it. Yeah.
No.
What do you mean, nah? You do that?
Yeah.
Isn't that what bitches do?
Huh?
That's
When they're... Yeah, some of my sisters did growing up, but it dries my hair.
I didn't even know that you could do that.
What do you mean? Who could do what?
Like I thought you had to have long hair to do it.
That's what... Well, my hair is thick and long, so it's like...
You look like you have a turban on.
It takes forever to dry. You know what I'm saying? So if I do this, it's like the thing where you sit down, you just press against it. It's all tight on my head right now.
Ah.
You know what I'm saying?
Well, I also don't have as thick as hair as you, so my hair
And
doesn't
long.
take long to dry.
Mine's too long on the sides, especially. What's chat saying? Are they flaming me?
Chat, this is literally the ultra. This is the best way to dry off right here.
Bro, ban lion, bro. All he's doing this whole stream is grown man, by the way. Grown men, by the way. Grown man. Like a man can't fucking live.
Chat, screenshot my toes and send it to your mother. Chat, I can't. Grown man, by the way, replying to me.
See, this is what I'm talking about.
She's extremely short. Oh my god, I love short women, chat.
Do I have a shirt or no?
No idea, I think so.
Dude, I love this shit.
We're out.
We're leaving right now, sorry. Thank you.